Hello friends. Welcome to this series of tutorials on making the STM32G0 series microcontroller starter board. In this series of tutorials, we are going to make a starter board for the STM32G030F6P6 microcontroller. So stay with me. To begin with, we will use Altium Designer software, although we will not fully teach this software here, because we intend to build a board for the STM32G030F6P6 microcontroller. To start, I have created a project. Here I have drawn the schematic in full. Let's take a look at the parts together. I have used the STM32G030F6P6 microcontroller in this project, and I have also drawn and wired its various parts, including the boot and reset and programming and connection sections. For this board, we have used a 3.3V regulator to supply the desired voltage, and the input voltage for this circuit is 5V. As you can see, the PCB part is also made by AMAZ. This board is one layer and used in small dimensions. To download this project, visit our GitHub page and you can download the files from there. Note that the resistor R1 you see here on the board does not need to be assembled. Okay guys, this session is over. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.